National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for north central Queen Anne's County in North County in northeastern Maryland until 10 p.m. At 9:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Overton or near Centerville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Chestertown, Churchill, Starkey Corner, Old Town, and Kingstown. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland: Kent and Queen Anne's,